Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your weekly love tarot reading, guys. So, for your reading, guys, we'll be picking cards for your general energies, for your relationship, and for your career situation, guys. So, we have these cards here for your general energies, guys. Taurus, and I'll be picking few more cards for your relationship and few more cards for your career situation, guys. So we will open these cards as we proceed, guys, into the reading. So let's start with your general energies, Taurus, for this week. So it's Ace of Sons, Judgment in reverse, and Cardinal of Stars. So with these cards for your general energies, Taurus, for this week, you are getting something new in your life, some new beginning, and you have that confidence, skill, and talents brimming in you. So you are having that positive outlook on your situation. You are proceeding in a very positive way today, guys. You are ready to jump into action because of the way your situation is, and you are seeing some good things, good changes in your career, or it may be in your personal life, a good beginning, maybe a new path in your career, or a new person in your life, or for some of you, it may even be the birth of a child. Maybe you are having a child, or your person, or someone in your family that is bringing lot of happiness and joy, guys. And Taurus, I also see that you are a very confident, brave person. You have skill and talents. The same way you are ready to take up great efforts for success. So, whatever that situation is, you have that skill, talents, and ability to handle any situation and proceed in a positive way, guys. And I also see that in your situation, guys, there may be people who are criticizing you, maybe your friends or your colleagues, maybe, but you should not listen to them, guys. But you should not overlook those criticisms. Also, you should see the truth in that and make the necessary corrections. So, if you go for that, you will be extremely successful, guys. So, if people who have that true concern on you, if they are criticizing certain things, you should see the truth in that criticism and make those corrections for your own betterment. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, for your general energies for the week. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship first. So it's Seven of Sons in reverse, Two of Spheres, and Fortune's Wheel in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here, guys. Taurus. So Taurus, with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe this person you are in connection with, or this may be your energy or their energy, their focus is on something else. They have lot of distractions. Maybe the people they work with, they may have other people interesting them. So their focus is not entirely on you, guys. So there are lots of confusions and worries in this love, in this connection. So you may not find that good understanding with them. You have certain doubts on them. You feel that this person is seeing someone else. And I also see that they may be involved with someone else, guys. So your doubts or certain confusions, whatever you have, that may become true. You may find out about them, the truth about them. So in some unexpected way, you may finding out what is happening. Maybe some of your common friend or someone is revealing about this person the truth behind their actions. So I see that things are not going so well in your relationship, guys. You have to um, be brave, strong for what you're going to face in this love. And I see that you have that strength and confidence in yourself, faith in yourself. So you will be able to overcome this negative situation, guys. Maybe for some of you, things may not be so bad. It may be your fear, or it may be simply be based on some unfounded fear that you have. You may be anxious about them, but for some of you, your doubt may prove right, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship, Taurus. So let's see what are these cards for your career situation. So what happens in your career situation for this week? It's Temperance in reverse, four of stars, Temperance in reverse, guys, and the Devil. So with these cards in your career situation, guys, there are people competing with your talents, trying to grab your opportunities. Maybe there are businesses, or in your work situation, people from your from other team. So they are competing with you, and you may feel really stressed, and you may feel that things are going out of control for you, and they are ready to do anything to grab your success. So they are willing to do anything, risk anything. So it is really difficult for you to handle your work pressure, guys. You are simply pressurized to do the right things for in your career. But I also see that you are an extremely talented person. So you may be facing lot of troubles, but with that wisdom you have, that knowledge about the right action, you are able to manage the situation. So things may turn around to benefit you in some way, and you are going to be successful, guys. You are going to win in this situation. So you may be able to make that right choice, take up that right path to land those deals or projects. So whatever is necessary, you have that skill and talents. So maybe your situation is challenging, but you will be successful, guys, in your career situation, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, the energy for this week. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. I will be doing a weekly reading for you all every week, so stay tuned for that. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you next week with another reading. Bye, Taurus.